So hello everyone. We're going to the town today because we're going to buy sayote for lunch and dinner. Look at that. It's sunny day today. But medyo natatakpan siya ng ulap. So yeah. Ayun, may nagbibilad na ng palay. Gitu. That's Tantan and it's harvest season na. So they nagbibilad na sila ng palay para pag tawing rice. Ang gulo, di ba? So, ayan. Mainit na siya. Harvest season na to this month. So, ayan. Let's go to the town with Tantan and Nathaniel. We're on our way to the town. So glad that we have a motorcycle so that can help us to go to the town anytime. Huh? Yeah, anytime and anywhere. Anywhere. But this is not cash. Hulugan. Down payment. Ito ngaran? Hulugan? Every monthly hulugan.
Hulugan.
Ano tan?
Hulugan.
Huh?
Burger.
So we're here at the highway. Steak.
Christmas.
I'm going back home. I'm done buying this vegetable for today's lunch. Ground pork and sayote. Sayote, I'm going to cook it today. The ingredients are prepared. All I need to do is to cook this sayote. I will put that sayote, this ground pork. I'll put ground pork for what you call it, ginisang sayote with ground pork. So ayan. I already heated the pan. You can see. So let's cook everyone. The oil and all of these ingredients. Halu-haluin. Already put the ground pork and hintayin ko lang na maluto yung ground pork para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. I'm gonna saklob this. Sakloban ko muna. Pork is already cooked. I'm going to put the sayote, this vegetable. mix. Wait. It's already mixed. I'm gonna put water. And then mix again. This will be yummy. This is one of my comfort food. Comfort food. Yeah. This ginisang sayote with pork giniling. And antayin ko lang kumulo. And I will put later magic syrup and salt to taste. So balikan natin mamaya. It's already cooked, everyone. Let's eat. This is my ginisang sayote with pork, ground pork. My own version. Cheers! Let's eat, everyone. This is the weather here today. I'm just done with my laundry yesterday afternoon. And look at my laundry. It's really dry. Since the weather is really good today, it's sunny day. As you can see, it's sunny day. It's clean here because I always clean morning and afternoon. So that's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you like this video, and I hope I see you soon on my next vlog. Thank you so much, and bye. Be kind always, guys. Thank you so much.